Hello friends, in the series of BSc IPF, I welcome you all. We are talking about the economic survey. We have discussed about the agriculture, industries, manufacturing sector, service sector, inflation, employment, the impact of food inflation or the impact of fuel inflation, the inflation other than food and fuel. We have tried to understand the reality of economy or the initiatives taken by government so that one can understand what is the state of economy, but it is always important to know the state of economy. Also, or along with that, we should understand the impact of that on financial markets. When we say about financial markets, it includes stock market, it includes money market, GSEC market, corporate debt market, etc. So what exactly the impact on financial markets or specifically money market we are going to talk today. It is always important to know that. It is always important for a small investor to know this, because that will develop a thought process with him which will help him to take a right decision at right time. That is what the motto of these sessions. BSc IPF and SEBI took this initiative to empower each and every small investor. So all these sessions are coming to you by BSc IPF and SEBI, so don't forget to say them thanks. We are talking about the money market. In the first half of 1920, we are talking about 1920 first. In the first half, there was a quite stability, there was a good liquidity in the market, but due to the fear of COVID-19 in the H2, this stability got disturbed. And in the beginning of June 2019, in the beginning of June 2019, the liquidity conditions transited gradually out of the deficit condition during the Q1. The Reserve Bank proactively took some steps, like they have reduced the CRR by 100 basis points, marginal standing facility. Now they have introduced one thing, that LTRO, which is a long-term repo rate. Repo rate is usually for few days, but they have introduced it that one can borrow money with some collateral for longer duration. Why they have done that? Because there was a liquidity pressure with the mutual fund. There was a redemption pressure on the mutual fund, and they wanted some liquidity. So what RBI did? What did RBI do? That RBI provided this LTRO to banks, so that banks will get some liquidity with which they will provide the liquidity to mutual fund. Actually, what happened is a completely different topic, but they tried to at least showcase that RBI is there with mutual fund industry, or they are there to provide liquidity, or they are there to ease the liquidity into the financial markets or into the economy specifically. Now, the weighted average call rate is at the rate call rate is the rate at which bank borrows interbank call money rate. The average absolute spread of weighted average call rate over the policy rate, it was very much aligned with the policy rate, weighted average call rate. Uh, if the spread is more above the call rate, if the spread is more, then definitely there is a liquidity problem. Here the spread have increased, but it increased with only 2 basis point, which will not make any difference, or it will not give any huge impact. Then there was a quite good volume. The volume have been increased. The most important thing is that the spread of CDs rate over the T-bills and the CPs rate, if we need to discuss, that it have reduced from 39 basis point to 21 basis point, but it widened to 48 bps in the Q4 outbreak of COVID. So again, the liquidity problem was there, on which the RBI or the central bank is working a lot. It increased due to this risk perception, resulting from the defaults and the rating downgrade of few NBFCs. That few NBFCs have defaulted. So that was the thing which was in the mindset of the investor. And every time RBI is trying to provide liquidity, every time RBI tried to provide liquidity and to maintain the liquidity into the economy. Thank you very much. We are stopping here. Don't forget to write your name along with the email address in the comment section. All these changes are coming to you by BSc IPF and SEBI, so you need to say them thanks. Also, the same topic is there in Hindi and Marathi. You can check out the YouTube channel for that. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.